అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండ్ నేను ఈరోజు ఐ am a part of a wonderful inauguration and an opening of Tarasya. ఇది third branch and third store opening actually Hyderabad lone and congratulations to the entire team of Tarasya. I think మెల్లమెల్లగా you guys are growing and ఇంకా grow అవ్వాలి అది మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను and అంటే నాకు కూడా I'm very very happy to be a part of this ఎందుకంటే they also have similar roots from where I'm from, so ఇది కొంచెం extra reason for happiness and అంటే నాకు జ్యువెలరీ కూడా చాలా ఇష్టం and ఇక్కడ ఈ రోజు seeing some amazing pieces here, very very happy. ఒక prime location లో and ఒక wonderful way లో they are conducted and I think in the coming years by next year కూడా they are planning to open it in multiple areas as well, so wishing you all the very best for that and a special mention to Suchita garu. I am very very happy for you, congratulations and hoping for much more bigger milestones for you. నాకు జ్యువెలరీ అండ్ సారీస్ అంటే నాకు ఆల్ కైండ్స్ ఇష్టం ఎందుకంటే ఒకేజన్ ప్రకారం ఒకేజన్ అండ్ నా మూడ్ కూడా సో అది అన్నీ మైండ్లో పెట్టి ఐ ట్రై అండ్ డూ దాట్ కానీ మోర్ ఆఫెన్ దెన్ నాట్ నాకు ఇండియన్ చాలా చాలా ఇష్టం సో వాట్ ఎవర్ ఐ ట్రై అండ్ గో మేబీ లైక్ బోహో ఇండియన్ లేకపోతే ఇండో వెస్టర్న్ ఐ ఆల్వేస్ ట్రై అండ్ మేక్ దట్ touch of be it a bindi, be it a jhumka, always trying to do that even over a denim, so I love it. అంటే ఫస్ట్ పార్ట్ ఏంటంటే I just got to know that they have a similar space from where I come from and to be able to start ఒక different region లో and not just one, not just two కానీ a third store in the same space and doing well and silver అంటే ఇప్పుడు it's up and coming and one of the most important parts in jewelry also. Gold తర్వాత ఇది ఒక bridal and మన everyday occasions కి కూడా I think it's a very affordable, won't break your bank. So ఈ reasons కి చూసి I feel like it's such a brilliant idea to be able to make things that are beautiful yet affordable for everybody ఎందుకంటే everybody deserves to feel their best and look their best.
Yes, okay, madam, hold. Either.
Neeruz. So being here with Meenakshi, she has given us the perfect tagline for Tarasya. Tarasya silver jewelry, it won't break your bank.
Yeah.
So I think this is a great takeaway from Meenakshi Chaudhary and we're so glad to have her here for the opening of third outlet of Tarasya. We started off our journey at Jubilee Hills and now we are here at one of the busiest townships of Asia, which is Kukatpally. We wanted our first store to be here, but nevertheless, we are always here at Kukatpally and so much more to come. So we are planning another 3 to 4 stores in the next financial year. So you will see Tarasya in your neighborhoods very soon, wherever you are. But for now, it is a launch of Kukatpally store. Would love to have all the Hyderabadi people come and check out the best in silver jewelry, the best craftsmanship, because this is Tarasya from the house of Neeruz. So you have the legacy brand and the quality and craftsmanship, which is about 4 decades old, still attached with Tarasya. So when you come, you see, you feel it, you will know that the craftsmanship is different. And we are here to serve you for your weddings, for your occasions, for your marriages, for all the events from small to big. I think silver jewelry, like she said, it won't make a hole in your bank. And yet, the best option is a lot of summer weddings are coming, a lot of destination weddings. So silver jewelry is the best choice for destination weddings. So come to Tarasya and see what we have different with Tarasya and Neeruz. Thank you.
Look here. Yes.
launching this store. This is our third store after Jubilee Hills, after Chandanagar. Kukatpally is our third store. And we are extremely happy to be in this space because this has been always our dream to start from Kukatpally. But we're not late. We're still here and here for you. We have every kind of jewelry. What she's wearing, you can see. That's Nakshi. We have Victorian. We have American diamonds. We have CZs and all type of daily wear, occasion wear. And now that we are stepping into the bridal season, we have very, very excellent bridal collection. I would love to have all of you come here and see the collection. It's all 925 silver with 22 karat gold plating. And we're very happy to be here in Kukatpally.
Do you customize the jewelry?
Yes, we do.
And what's the price, starting price?
The starting price is as low as 300 rupees if you go for a small earring or a nut. And upper hand, as she said, it's not going to make a hole in your pocket. Silver is the next gold, and because of silver, I think a lot of people are able to afford the kind of jewelry that they want to wear at their wedding.